Someone quite literally fell on me while I was riding the tram in the Atlanta airport today. As soon as we took off, he just went down like a freaking sack of potatoes. He fell right into me and caused me to fall into the person next to me. As amazing as it is that there are people out there who don't travel, there are, right? Like, not everybody knows the idiosyncrasies of travel. So I wanted to get on here and just do this little demonstration of how to ride a tram if you don't have anything to hold on to. So let's go. Okay, first and foremost, hold on to something when you're on the freaking tram, okay? Or if you're on a train or anything like that. But let's say you don't have anything to hold on to, right? You're just standing there and you've got your little bag, your little roller bag. It's good to have that roller bag. It'll help you with your balance. But if you're just standing there, you're on the train's moving in that direction, right? Don't stand like this. And don't stand like this, okay? Stand sideways like this. Don't face the direction of travel and don't face away from the direction of travel. Okay, it's going to be a lot easier to hold your balance if you stand sideways. So before the tram takes off, if the train's going to be moving in that direction, you need to bend this leg, just like this. You can't really see it. Bend this leg and put all your weight on this leg, just like that. That's all you have to do. And when it takes off, you're going to be planted. Your weight is going to travel to the ground through this leg, and this bent leg is going to be the way you're holding yourself up. So you're going to be perfectly balanced because of that. And then after the tram gets going, or the train, whatever it is, you can straighten that leg out and just kind of stand there. And if you've got a roller bag, again, that's going to help you. And when it starts to slow down, again, you're moving in that direction. And when it starts to slow down, bend this leg right here. And now plant this one. Just like that, keep it straight. And now all your weight's going to be transferred into this leg, down into the floor through this leg, right? And you're going to be able to hold your balance because of your bent leg. And then when it stops, of course, you're going to be fine. But just remember, whichever direction it's going, if it's traveling that way, when you take off, bend this leg, keep this one straight. If it's traveling that way, when you take off, bend this leg and keep this one straight. It's going to be the opposite when it's starting as it is when it stops, okay? But just, no matter what you do, don't stand like this. Chances are you're going to fall if you do that. But always hang on to something. When you get on a tram, it's going to take off. It's going to be worse than you think it is, right? You're not going to be expecting that motion. That inertia is going to hit you and you're going to fall. This guy freaking went down like he was just standing there, and then he just, boom, and just flew backwards. It almost looked like he did it intentionally. I couldn't believe it. I tried to catch him with my arm and we both went down, and I landed on my freaking luggage, and I'm trying to hold him up with my bad arm, but yeah. So just a little tip to help people ride the tram. If you're at an airport, or ride a subway, or ride a train, if you don't have anything to hold on to, this will keep you from falling in the future. So thanks for watching, and you're absolutely welcome.